videos. We've been pretty hard to upload when there's so much baseball, but we'll keep trying, and the summer will be really awesome. So yeah, we're just probably gonna do a little video today before school again. Brett's about to come pick me up. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we're back. Whatever. Peace. So we just got home. We're just chilling. Brett has baseball again, so we can't do anything for baseball, but someone might come over, and yeah. So we're just gonna chill and try to find a video idea. Comment video ideas. Right now when you're watching this, go comment one right now, and we'll do it. And we'll give you a shout out if we use it, if it's not like a bad idea. So let's get right into the video. Hopefully you like them. They're pretty gnarly. So Lane's probably gonna come over again. So we're just gonna do whatever. And yeah, we might do a ball, hit some dingers, and run derby. So yeah, let's get on with the video. I said that like 8 times, but let's go. Okay guys, so we just finished going to the skate park. Got some icy. And yeah, we're just gonna think of a little video idea. Comment video ideas right now. I think I already said that once this video, but yeah, comment video idea. And we're gonna try to think of one now. So yeah, comment challenges, like vlog ideas or anything. We'll do like a vlog if we go somewhere cool or something, but yeah, so we'll see you whenever we think of like a video idea. So I got my fidget spinner. We got the car. We're ready. My mom's not watching. So here we go. Ready? Here we go, guys. Oh my God! Holy crap! Oh my God! Holy guys! I think that left intense. OMG, guys! That was intense. Oh my gosh! Oh my! Did you see that? There's a spot. I'm gonna die. I'm bleeding.
Well, bye-bye. We're gonna go hide from Leighton. I'm gonna scare him.
Okay, my mom's gonna kill me. So we're gonna do something we're gonna just do something. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed that quick video. And yeah, go check out our videos and subscribe and like and comment video ideas. So yeah, peace.
4:15, left the club tipsy.